Prête? Rends les choses faciles. Et c'est chez moi.
Hello, my fabulous beauties. Today we are going to be reviewing this beautiful package from Enail Couture. I'm so excited for this. I did purchase this with my own money, and in this package, as you will see after I open it, because as you can see right here, I'm having a very hard time opening, and I did get it open. Okay, so in the package, this package is beautiful. I love the pink packaging, and they sealed this like really well. I love how he put his brand and the name on the inside. Nice touch. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So here you see me removing all of the pink, I don't know what those things are called, but I am removing those. And they did seal this really well. I like how they sealed it to make sure that you get no spillage or damage to the products. Alright, so here are the full cover nail tips. I did get the mini full cover nail tips for my short nail beauties, because everybody doesn't like long nails, so I did get it from the beauties that like to see short nails sometimes and not just long nails all the time. Alright, so I will be opening this up. They all are from 0 to 10 in size. The first tips are the mini coffin. The coffin is one of my favorite shapes. These mini nails are just so cute, very flexible and durable. Excuse me. These are just too too cute. They are $9.99 on his website, and I will leave the link to his site in the description below. So if you're interested to buy any of the products that you see in this video, so right here I'm kind of just showing you the size and how they look side by side. So first we have the coffin. The next one is the square, and the next one I will be showing you is, I believe, is the almond. And right here I'm just letting you know that this is the coffin and this is the square, and they're all $9.99 on his website. So right here I'm showing you the almond shape. And like I said before, they all are full cover tips. You can use it with polygel. You can use it with base coat. It's like almost like the A Press X gel. You can use that for the gel extensions. And I believe these are jelly tips. I'm not quite sure. I have to look on his website and see if they are jelly tips. And as you can see right there, I do show the almond, and this last one that I'm showing right here is the stiletto. And like I said, all of these are the mini sculpted full cover tips. And to the stars of the show, I did get the peel off base. So because for my nail people that does different sets like every other week or every week, I did want to get this for myself, so because I probably would be doing like different sets on myself. And this one right here is the pink press on gel. Any smell to it, but it's the consistency is pretty thick. I am liking. I can't wait to use it. And this next one that I'm getting ready to show you is the do-it-yourself press-on gel or the do-it-yourself gel. The last time that I looked at the website, they do have clear and they do have it in pink now. So that's pretty much all that I got in this little mini haul. And when you put these on, you do cure them for 60 seconds, and the packaging is gorgeous. It looks so fun and super cute. And I hope you guys like this video, and like I said, I will leave everything in the link in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. Toodles.